Hello, my name is Jason. I'm the co-owner of Shingle Choice Roofing, a roofing company here in Arkansas. And today I'd like to share with you a roof that we recently did here in Conway, Arkansas. And what I would like to do is to go over different elements of the project as it progresses. Here you see Danny in the striped shirt. He is also a co-owner. He is working with the insurance adjuster to answer any questions, point out any hail or wind damage that we found that he might miss. We just go to bat for the homeowner when it comes to insurance claims. This is just a drone video shot of the roof before we started it. You can see the tarp on top. There was a small hole in the ridge caps that we covered for the protection of the home to keep any other damage from happening. So I'll just let the drone go around. You can see all sides of the roof. One thing you'll notice is this roof only has 2 turbine vents, and this is about a 60 square roof, and it's really undersized with turbines. You actually need about 1 turbine per 300 square feet of attic space. So we recommended to the customer that she actually add at least 2 more turbines to the roof, which she took our suggestion, and we did end up adding 2 more turbines to her roof as well. The one thing that actually brought that out was that as we were inspecting the roof, we also noticed there was quite a bit of blistering, which showed us where there was significant heat inside the attic to cause that to blister. So we did end up adding 2 more turbines to her roof. The customer also had a shop which was about 10 square roof. We also ended up replacing that as well. Here we are in the process of actually replacing the customer's roof. We actually will strip the roof down to the decking and build it back up. We do not do any overlays, which means we do not put shingles on top of shingles. We actually want to strip it down all the way to the deck and inspect the decking, make sure it's good, and build it back up. You can actually see a couple places there where this customer actually had some bad decking. We took that up, we do replace that, and then we lay down our synthetic felt, which has actually got a 50-year life to it. Another thing that we do is we also adhere to all state and city building codes, which means we also use ice and water shields in all the valleys. You'll notice here that there's a lot of the old shingles laying on the ground on top of a tarp that we lay down to protect the customer's foliage, shrubs, and her backyard. She also had some patio furniture in the back that we also moved under her covered patio. So that's one thing that we do, is we also protect the customer's foliage, any bushes, trees, roses, and we clean up everything, and to include nail roll in the yard to make sure there's no nails or any trash left over from the roof replacement job. Also, just to let you know, our company is licensed and insured and accredited with the Better Business Bureau, and our roofing crew has years of experience of replacing roofs and are very friendly and very professional. And here you have the completed roof. We got this done in about 2 days. She had 70 square of roof to be replaced. That's with the house and the shop. We can normally get a job done in about 1 day from start to finish, and usually from the time the customer signs the work order for us to get the material order and get the job started, we can usually get started within a week. But again, it only takes usually about 1 day to completely strip down a roof and get it replaced. Here you can see where we added a third turbine to the main portion of the house to increase that attic ventilation. And here's where we added the fourth turbine over the bedroom garage area to also increase that ventilation. Also, when a roof's replaced, we never reuse material. Whatever type of ventilation system you have, whether it's turbines, ridge vents, or turtle vents, we always replace those with new, and that also goes along with your pipe jacks, the coverings for any pipes coming out of the house that prevents water from coming in. All that gets replaced with new material. Also, any furnace vents, like the large pipe you see on the right, we also replace the caps on it as well with new. And here at Shingle Choice Roofing, We do offer a free roof inspection to check for any hail or wind damage, and if we do find it, we work with you and your insurance company to get your roof replaced. Just give us a call and we'll be more than happy to come out and take a look and give you that free inspection. We are an Arkansas company serving Arkansas customers. Thank you so much for watching.